Thank you for coming back to my channel. So I think the next thing to tackle before I look into the testing bit is to sort out the delete. You know, I've got quite a few pages here that I need to write tests for, and I mean, so far I have written one for the users page where the user is able to delete. The next way I want to do is to tackle that same thing for deleted update, basically. So this video is to fix the update for my backend. So this is what I've got for an update, and I think it's the only one. So I'm going to put transactional because it just, if you don't do it like that, then you get breakage or error. I'm going to put both the user, allow the user to be able to update their own details, and also the admin, but mainly the admin. I don't think I've done that for the user, so I can do the update, add an update to the user profile, so the user can also update their details. But delete, I think I will leave it. Deleting a user, I think I'll leave it for the admin. Because basically, let's say you wanted to leave Vodafone, you contact them, isn't it, and they do all that detailed stuff. So far this is not good. So I rather have, I don't just want the ID, I want a string of string, and I want username. So this method needs to be corrected. I want to pass on username, and I'll fix the problem here for that method. And I want update / the username username. So I want update / username, and I'm just gonna go here and I'm going to say I want a string, and I want username. Right, and I want username here. So when I first did it, I didn't basically do this, so I'm gonna go and fix that one. I'm gonna put username here and first name. So this one is just updating the first name, surname. I should really say what that thing is for. That is only updating the first name and last name. We could also try and update the phone number. Nonetheless, we could add that one here, but for now we know that it's the first name and last name. So let's go into find the repository. No, not that one. Let's go into the user repository and see if we can find by username. Yeah, we got find by username. Let me see if I can use that one and go back to the service. Find by username, and we find by the username, and then user record not found with the given username. And then we just want to update the font. So if we go back to the, not that one, we want to go back to controller, and what do we have? / ID username. Not quite sure. See if postman can do something. We don't want the phone number for now. We just want to send off the first name and last name of this particular user. So we need to restart and create a user, and the user, let's say French friend, and it's Sonny. Okay, something is not right here. Okay, so let's restart this thing. Let's restart that one, and I'm just going to start this thing again. Okay, which puts the first two users, the admin and the whatever, in there. So that user then so we're gonna create a user. We'll create this user. Just get rid of that. Let's get rid of this one. We create this user, save, create. We create a user, and it says it's been created. We can see the username here. Right, so let's pass the username, which we can actually do here by going like this. Username, let's go username because it's saved, and we got authorization. I think it might work because I just did it, so let's see if this works. 1 status 401. Okay, let's do the admin, and the admin is sorry, we got to put the admin is saved here because it's saved in the environment over there. So let's see. Okay, method not allowed. Okay, of course, yeah. / update and / that one, and that's because, so that's what we've got here. We got update and / whatever. If that doesn't work, then I have to copy it. Let's hope this works. 500, something is not right. Require you update a variable ID for method parameter. String is not present in blah 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 method annotation. Okay, so we seem to be doing something right, but it says string, so we want to update the first name and last name to this, and what they work with. Then we got this error, so it says missing path variable exception required. Your template variable ID for method parameter type string is not present. Annotation blah 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 blah. I need to investigate this and get right back. Alright, so I think the front end will go on to another video. So this is the back end. We've done the postman test. So the next video will be about the front end for the update, and once that one is done, I think the rest of the pages I will end up doing it myself. So I see you again on the next video. Thank you for coming back to my channel.